Imagine this, you wake up, look in the mirror, and there it is. Another breakout on your forehead. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you that acne isn't just about clogged pores or oily skin? What if it's your body's way of warning you about something much deeper, something that could save your life? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of face mapping, an ancient practice that links acne to internal health issues. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a pimple the same way again. What is face mapping? Face mapping is a concept rooted in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. It suggests that different areas of your face are directly connected to specific organs. When something's off inside your body, your skin often gives you a clue. Through acne, redness, or irritation, it's like your skin is sending you a secret message. But how do we decode it? Let's break it down, zone by zone. Forehead, the digestion detector. If you constantly get acne on your forehead, your gut might be in trouble. This area is linked to your digestive system, liver, and stress levels. Possible causes: poor digestion, too much processed food or sugar, liver overload, too many toxins, dehydration, high stress levels. What to do? Drink more water. Add probiotics to your diet. Eat fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains. Reduce processed sugar and caffeine. Try drinking warm lemon water every morning for better digestion. Nose, the heart monitor. Breakouts on your nose? It could be your heart trying to get your attention. Possible causes: high blood pressure, poor circulation, too much fried or spicy food, cholesterol imbalance. What to do? Eat heart-healthy foods, avocados, nuts, olive oil. Reduce processed fats. Get daily exercise. Manage stress with deep breathing exercises. Do you get acne on your nose? Let me know in the comments. Cheeks, the lung and allergy alert. Your cheeks are linked to your lungs and respiratory system. If you notice acne here, your body might be struggling with allergies, air pollution, or even smoking. Possible causes: poor air quality, smoking or secondhand smoke exposure, food allergies, high sugar intake. What to do? Avoid dairy and processed sugars. They trigger inflammation. Get fresh air and use an air purifier. Drink herbal teas like peppermint or chamomile. Quit smoking if you haven't already. Did you know that eating too much sugar can lead to acne breakouts on your cheeks? Jawline and chin, the hormone hub. This one's a biggie. If you keep getting acne on your jawline or chin, your hormones might be out of balance. Possible causes: menstrual cycle fluctuations, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, excess dairy or processed food stress, and lack of sleep. What to do? Eat hormone-balancing foods, flax seeds, spinach, walnuts. Reduce dairy and processed food. Manage stress through meditation or exercise. Prioritize sleep and regulate your sleep cycle. Have you ever noticed more breakouts before your period? Between the eyebrows, the liver signal. This area is directly linked to your liver, the organ responsible for detoxifying your body. If you're breaking out here, it's a sign that your liver is overloaded. Possible causes: too much alcohol or junk food, liver struggling to filter toxins, food intolerances like dairy or gluten. What to do? Reduce alcohol and processed foods. Eat liver-cleansing foods, beets, garlic, turmeric. Drink detoxifying herbal teas like dandelion root. Ears, the kidney whisperer. Acne on your ears? This could be a sign of dehydration or kidney stress. Possible causes: not drinking enough water, high salt intake, excessive caffeine, or sugary drinks. What to do? Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Reduce processed salt intake. Balance caffeine consumption. Before knowing how to use face mapping to transform your health, kindly subscribe the channel if you find this information helpful and interesting. Now that you know what your acne is trying to tell you, how can you use this knowledge in your daily life? Here's your action plan. 1. Observe patterns. Take notes on where and when you break out. 2. Adjust your diet. Cut back on trigger foods and add more whole, fresh ingredients. 3. Improve your lifestyle. sleep well, manage stress, and exercise regularly. 4. Hydration is key. Water helps flush toxins and keep your skin clear. 5. Listen to your body. If your acne persists despite changes, consult a doctor. So, the next time you see a breakout, don't just cover it up, decode it. Your acne might just be your body's way of sending an urgent message. Listen to it, and it might save your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips from Nature Nurtures. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs to hear it.